Delhi is witnessing a war of letters in the run-up to assembly polls as the ruling AAP and BJP lock horns over allegations and counter-allegations. Amid the row over Delhi LG's office hitting out at CM Atishi's temple demolition claims, Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal has written to RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat asking whether RSS supports the BJP leaders allegedly distributing money to buy votes in Delhi. BJP Delhi President Viren Sachdeva reacted sharply to Kejriwal's letter, calling it a diversionary tactic. My colleague Tejashree Purandare has all the details which has developed over the period.
There is no end to the political war of words between the Aam Aadmi Party and BJP. Now it's the national convener of Aam Aadmi Party and the former chief minister of the national capital, Arvind Kejriwal, who penned down a letter to the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, and in that particular letter he has chalked out several questions, asked several questions, and in fact he has also asked RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat that will RSS be towing the lines of the BJP, and he also further mentioned about the vote deletion issue, also mentions about vote for cash, and also asked that will RSS be supporting the BJP for vote deletion issue of particularly Purvanchalis, and not just that but also for the cash for vote. Well, we'll have to see that what happens next as far as the political war of word is concerned. Certainly expecting it to rise as we are inching closer towards the Delhi election.